So after the calculation of the planned value, we can calculate the earned value. So for the earned value, we have been asked to use the 0 to 100% rule. So by this rule, we will apply the values in such a way that any activity, if it has not completed, the earned value on that activity will be considered as 0. So in this case, activity A is completed, at least it is scheduled to be completed, so we will consider it to be 100% complete, so it is 600. So activity B also completed, it will be considered as 300. Activity C and D are not completed, okay, at this point in time, so therefore we will take them as 0. So the total earned value will be then 900. So the actual cost is given. Actual cost is given as 680 plus 270. Actual cost is 680 plus 270. So it will be 0, 5, and then 950. So by this we can calculate the cost variance and schedule variance. So therefore cost variance is equal to earned value 900 minus actual cost 950 minus 50, and the schedule variance is 900 minus 1480 is equal to minus 580. Okay, so and then similarly the other values such as the schedule performance index, cost performance index, etc. can be calculated. One thing I want to mention about that, we could have also done this apportioning of costs for the planned value based on the 0 to 100% rule. Okay. So the way which I have apportioned here is by assuming that the cost will be uniformly distributed throughout the duration of the activity. Okay, so if I apply the 0 to 100% rule to the planned value as well, then the costs for A will be apportioned like this. So for example, if I redraw it, then I can show it here. Redraw A, this is for A, activity A, B, C, D, E, activity activity A, so for example, if it A, B, C, D, E, and their total costs we already know, just 600, 300, 800, 400, 400. So the costs are 600, 300, 800, 300, 800, and then 400, and then 400, and their durations are 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5. Okay, 3, 2, 5, and then the number of days are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me write it here. This is end of day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So if we apply the 0 to 100% rule, so the cost of A will be apportioned as 600 at the last day, when it is going to complete. So similarly, the B is finishing on 5th day, its cost of 300 will be apportioned here. Okay, only the cost will, so that means only at the end the cost will be apportioned. And then for C it will be at the end of the day, so it is 800, so it will be here, 800 here. Okay, and then D, it is 400, it will be here at the end of day 9. And then for E, it is on the last day, 400. Okay, so our status time is here, day 7. That means anything happening in the first 6 days. So in this case, the planned value will be 900, 600 plus 300, 900. And because we don't have any more information for the earned value, so we will assume that activities were as started, as they were planned. So it will be 900 as usual, as before, and actual cost will be, it's already given, it's 950. So in this, that will be the situation. Okay, so so when you have to apply this 0 to 100% rule, so you can also apply it to the planned value as well as to the earned value as well. So in my and as it has been done in your textbook as well, they have also applied this rule to the planned value as well, not only to the earned value. But anyway, in this way I have illustrated the method for both of the methods. In the first method we uniformly distributed, in the second method we just applied the 0 to 100% rule. There is another rule which is called as the 50-50 rule, so it means 50% in the beginning, 50% in the end. So that rule can also be used, but in fact the application of that rule has been given in the textbook as well. Yeah, and one more thing is the status date. So earned value example is today is day 7. Yeah, so there can be little bit confusion for that. If this today is the day 7, then that means we are taking the status at the end of day 6. Okay, otherwise if we want by the end of day 7, so it must be mentioned that the status is by the end of day 7. So today is day 7 means the status is for the previous period for which the work has been completed. So draw an earned value chart for the end of the first week, 5 days, assuming the time proportionality rule for the project illustrated in the following network diagram, given the following costs and percentage completions. So in this case we have to draw this network first. In fact, the network has been already there, we just have to calculate their early start and finish times. So we can, so that because we need this early start and finish times, so that we can proportionately assign the costs. So for example, for the start should be 0, and for activity A it should be 0, then it will be 4, then this activity it will be 4, and then 5. So these numbers are the duration of the activities, so it will be 4, and then it will be 9, 0, and then 3, and then it will be 3, and 3 plus 4 7, it will be 3, then it will be 4. Okay, then here it will be 5, and then it will be 7, here it will be 9, and then it will be 12. Yes, this one will be 4, and then 9. So now we can show these dates on a table, and then we can assign the costs. So this time I will draw the table on Microsoft Word. Okay, so here I have this table. So I will assign them with different column names. So for example, this is the activity column. So the activities are from A, B, C, D up to D, and then duration, and then the early start, and then budget. Okay, and then the number of days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I need to add one more actually. So 30. As we calculated that it will take 13 days. Okay, so let me complete some. Okay, here I have added the information about the activities, duration, early start, budget. So for example, early start information I have added from here, and the budget information I have added from here. So now I will use the proportion method to assign this budget. So proportion method is simply saying that you will take this total budget of activity A and then divide it equally for its 4 days. So for example, if it is 600, so if we divide equally in 4 days, it will be 150, 150, 150, 150. And then for B, it will be, because B is also starting is from the first day, so 300 for 3 days, 100, 100, 100. Similarly, C is starting from 4th day. Okay, C is starting from here, from the 4th day. Yeah, C is starting from the actually is the 5th day. Okay, so C is starting after A. Yes, so this is the end. This is the end of day 4, start of day 5. So for example, this is the meaning of early start means end of day 4 and start of day 5. So it should be here. So it is only one day, so it is 150. One day. D is also here. It is 750 divided by 5, so it will be 150, 150, 150, 150, 150. Okay, so I will continue this example in the next video clip.